The next word that we have, I will give example as I will give to analyze or example for the tree diagram is players. So players is similar to player, so it's a noun. It's a noun, okay. But the difference is here in the word players, the morphemes are three. Okay, so there is s, er, and then play. So this is how you draw the tree diagram. Again, you have to write the word class at the top of the branch, and then you insert the branch. Remember that you have to draw two branches. So first to the left, and the second is to the right. Okay, so we take out the affix first, the very last affix at the right side, and I draw it quite long because it will be more than just here. Let me write it down first. It's S. Okay, yeah, let me write it like this first, and then so if I take out the as, which means the is base there, which is player, and player is still a noun, so I write noun here. Okay, and then because the word player still has two morphemes, so that means I have to draw another two branches under the M here. Okay, like this one, and then we draw another branch under the affix part. So here I write er, right? Is it too far here? Okay, let's write like this. Okay, and then there's something left there. We see that there is one base there. It's play. Play is a verb, so I write verb here. And the branch under the verb is only one because there is one morpheme only. And I write it like this. I just play here. Okay, that's enough. So this is the tree diagram for the word players. So you can compare. It's there is more branches in this word compared to the first one. It's because in the first one there are only two morphemes, while in the second one there are three morphemes. Okay, now let's try to analyze about the root. Sorry, and then the base, and then the stem. Remember that stem there is fractional affix. Okay, let's say the root. So the root, you can check it here. The word where is no more branch under it, that means it's the root. So just right here, play. Now what about the base? Remember that the base is a word where any kind of affixes is attached. So you see there are two affixes here. You can see the first base must be the word where affix s is attached, which is n, which means that, yeah, look at the branches. So it's the word player. So that's the first uh, base, and then there is another affix which is er, where it is attached to the word play. So that means the base is play. Now what about stem? Remember, stem is a word where only inflectional affix is attached, and we see here that there is an affix suffix, okay, suffix s. This one is inflectional affix. One of the characteristics is it is put at the very last of the word, and then you can see that there is no change of the word class when we put s. Okay, so n is not changed, it's still a noun. And if you just want to memorize, that means from the last week material, I gave you that one example of inflectional affix says is s, which means plural. Why means plural? Because it is added to a noun. Okay, so there is one affixional affix here. That means there is a stem there because it is attached to the word player, which means the stem is player. So that's how we analyze about players.